everyone, I am here today in this lovely condo, and the condos actually have a community washer and dryer, but I'm here to show you something amazing that you could do if you bought a condo that did not have a washer and dryer in the unit. So let's go check this out. So you're looking at the kitchen and the dining room. Super cute place. So it has lots of cabinetry, gorgeous kitchen, very open concept, looks out to the living room, front door. But look what they've done. So these are the cabinets that they have installed. They don't normally come with them. But underneath, oh, sorry. Underneath of here, check this out. They have full-size washer and dryer that they've installed and connected to the water line somehow. If you look back up in there, you'll see permanently installed. So these are really cool. These are by LG Inverter Direct Drive. And an LG Sensor Dry. Front loading. And again, look at that.